My name is Brandon, and today I'll be going over our Composer Advanced features within Conga Composer. The Composer Advanced features is a new functionality that provides our users with access to the Composer link service, our Conga file repository, the Conga PDF viewer, access to notification emails, as well as a document histories object, which lies within Salesforce. Each five of these different objects plays a different role within sending the email within the Composer link service functionality. To start, we'll want to make sure that you already have these Conga Composer features provisioned. So to check, you can go to Conga Composer Setup, and here you'll be looking for Enable Notification Emails and Conga File Storage for Service. If you do not see these two settings within your Salesforce environment, you'll want to open a support ticket and provide this org ID to our support team, and we'll be happy to get that provisioned for you. Now, before adding these Composer features to your solution, I'd like to go over a little bit of what they do. The Composer link service allows users to use Composer to generate and send documents in an email directly from Salesforce, and this will be composed as a link. The documents generated with this link service are securely stored in a proprietary Conga file repository. I do want to draw your attention to this file repository and let you know that this repository is separate and not related to Salesforce files in any way, and it is also not tangibly accessible within Salesforce. Think of it more of a cloud service. Third, we have the Conga PDF viewer. This is a web PDF viewer that allows you to view the Conga link email within a web browser. Fifth, we have the notification email, or fourth, excuse me, we have notification emails, which is a feature just of the link service, and notification emails go out when the link service is interacted with. And then fifth, we have a document histories object within Salesforce, and I'll show that as we begin to create our solution. For those users who don't already have a solution created, there is very clear documentation found on the Composer link service page, which will help you set up a new solution using our document wizard. I recommend you use that. Today, I'll be using the link service to set up for an existing solution, and you can find that documentation here. To begin, we're going to need to add the template ID, link service, and Conga email template ID to our button. So to do so, we will navigate to Salesforce Setup, the Object Manager, and today I will be working in the Account object. We'll head over to Buttons, Links, and Actions here, and my button name is the Generate Account Summary button. For those of you who aren't already familiar, within Salesforce you can add an underscore before or after the ampersand and before the first letter in order to deactivate a parameter. So here I have a template ID parameter I will activate. I also have the link service parameter. Link service is either a 1 to activate or a 0 to deactivate. And then we also needed to add our Conga email template ID. And I want to quickly draw your attention to the Conga email template. In the documentation here, it says that you are required to add the Conga document link merge tag in the email body of your email template. I recommend just copying this link here, and you'll see in my environment that same Conga email template with the same Salesforce ID. We've got that HTML stored in a file, so we'll use the advanced editor here. We'll just give Composer just a second to load here. And here we have a standard template, and I just want to draw your attention to the Conga doc link that is required in order for this service to work. Let's go ahead and head back out to our button. We already have the Conga email template. To add the following parameters for your notification email, we'll need a notification email template ID. The notification email template ID is another Conga email template. And then we'll also use an email to ID. We'll see we have the email to ID here. And the net ID, I am actually, for this example, going to show you how you can use notifications without the net ID parameter here. So let's go ahead and click Save for our button. You also have the option to add DS7 or to add a default PDF to convert your file back to a PDF. I'm not going to use DS7 today in my testing. And then let's go ahead and test our button by going to an account. We'll go to my most recent one here. And let's test with our Generate Account Summary button. One good way to know that the link service is actually working is that you'll see in the actions that it's create link in email instead of just download. So you don't have to make any changes, but you'll want to make sure that it says create link in email, and then you'll know you're on your right path here. So let's click merge an email. All right, Composer will open an email here. It is the same template that I just showed before. And here you'll see click here to view document. This is currently not a clickable link. You will have to send the email before doing so. And I will go ahead and send this email out. I have it sent to my own email here. We'll navigate over to my email inbox where we see we received the same email from Jorge, and this time with a clickable link which opens to the Conga Composer PDF viewer I mentioned previously. And then if we scroll back over to Salesforce and scroll down, you'll see that we get a live update that this email was opened just but a few seconds ago. So this is another way to keep track of your emails and when they were opened without using the notification email template ID. And then lastly, we have the document histories object. You just start typing document. You'll see document histories, and you'll see we have a created date of today for that same document we just sent. And here, this is where the file and the link is stored for you to view later. Here you have the URL. You have the same clickable hyperlink here. And that is how you can utilize the Composer Advanced features within your existing Conga Composer solutions. Thanks for watching.